हेलो गाइस। आज का टॉपिक है कि जैसे मेमोरी अपनी मेमोरी होती है 64 GB। जिस किसी के मोबाइल में 64 GB होगा, किसी का 256 GB एंड सो ऑन। तो वो डिसाइड कैसे होता है? अब जैसे कि आपके मोबाइल में एक्सपांडेबल मेमोरी भी नाम की भी चीज़ होती है। जैसे कि आपको कंपनी अलोकेट कर रही है सपोज 64 GB, बट यू कैन एक्सपांड योर मोबाइल स्टोरेज अप टू 256 GB। हाउ? ये कैसे क्या डिसाइड हो रहा है कि आपको 64 GB का मिल रहा है, एक्सपांड कर रहे हो 256 GB? ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? मतलब उसके पीछे का रीज़न क्या है? अगर आपको 64 GB दिया है तो उससे ज़्यादा आप कैसे जा सकते हो? ओके, लेट अस फाइंड आउट हाउ दिस वर्क। ओके, मीन्स वो कौन से बेसिस पे हो रहा है? ओके, दैट आई विल टेल। फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड नो अबाउट द माइक्रो प्रोसेसर, हाउ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर इज वर्किंग। ओके, सो ये अपना माइक्रो प्रोसेसर होता है। इन शॉर्ट वी विल से इट टू म्यूपी। दिस इज माइक्रो एंड प्रोसेसर म्यूपी। ठीक है, ये आपकी मेमोरी होगी। दिस इज मेमोरी। ओके, अब यूपी एड्रेसेस मेमोरी को भेजता है। ओके, मीन्स फॉर एन एग्जांपल दिस इज आवर एड्रेस बस, देयर इज अगेन डेटा बस, देयर इज अगेन कंट्रोल बस। Okay, data bus will be the bidirectional and address bus will be the unidirectional like this. Okay, अगर अभी म्यूपी को सपोज यहाँ एक एड्रेस है, फॉर एन एग्जांपल हियर एड्रेस एंड हियर इज डेटा प्रेजेंट। नाउ एड्रेस फॉर एन एग्जांपल एड्रेस इज 4000 एंड डेटा प्रेजेंट एट 4000 इट इज 25। ओके, अभी म्यूपी को 4000 डेटा 4000 के एड्रेस पे डेटा लिखना है, मानो रीड करना है या राइट करना है। सो फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट म्यूपी विल डू, म्यूपी विल सेंड वाया दिस एड्रेस बस टेल टू द मेमोरी he will send 4000 from here. In memory there are so many addresses, okay, so many locations. From this location 4000 will be select, क्योंकि म्यूपी ने 4000 भेजा है तो मेमोरी में जितने भी एड्रेसेस है उनमें से 4000 सिलेक्ट होगा। एंड उसके बाद जैसे फिर कंट्रोल यूनिट से बोलेगा कि मुझे ये करना है, रीड करना है, तो कंट्रोल बस डेटा विल बी कम फ्रॉम डेटा बस एंड इट विल गो टू द म्यूपी। दिस इज द रीड ऑपरेशन व्हाइल दिस हैपनिंग। बट माय मेन थिंग इज दैट एड्रेस बस से म्यूपी भेजेगा कि मुझे 4000 का लोकेशन का डेटा चाहिए व्हाइल रीडिंग। सो address bus, in address bus it will be sent. So now we will go for address bus, how address bus is working. Okay, now first thing is that what is buses. Buses is nothing but the set of wires. Okay, in silicon board there are buses, suppose 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wire, 4 wire, just like that. Okay, now if our address bus is of only 1 wire, okay, for an example, if our address bus is of only 1 wire, so how many location it can identify? That is 2 combination only present with one bus locations. Okay, if bus number is 1, so location will be 2, that is either 0 either 1, दो ही लोकेशन ढूंढ सकते हैं एक बस से। Okay, if bus is 2 means in bus we have 2 wires, then if in bus there are 2 wires, then it is possible to find 0 1 2 3 4 locations possible. So this is happening in here, means 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. Okay, so 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 wires 4 combination, one wire 2 combinations like this. If 3 lines 3 wires will be there, then it will be 8 combination like this. If we took 3 wires, 3 buses, in bus address bus there are 3 wires, so how many combination present means how many address it is possible to identify? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So this much means kitna? This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, means totally 0 to 7 8 location are present with the, if we use 3 wires in a bus. Okay, you got it? Means if we increases the size of the wires in a bus, so you can, means your size of locations also increasing. That you got the point. Means if nowadays what is happening, they are using 32-bit bus, 64-bit bus. What does it mean? They are using the 32 wires, 64 wires. Let us take an example. Okay. If I am using my address bus is of 10-bit. 10-bit is nothing but the 10 wires. Okay, means 2 raised to the power 10 is nothing but 1024. 1024 location I can identify with my 10 bus. So that does mean if we go for now in earlier days they used 2 raised to the power 32 means 32-bit bus. Okay, so with the help of 2 raised to the power 32, if you go on calculated, okay, let me find the what is the 2 to the power 32. Let us find 2 raised to the power 32 is nothing but 429 496 7296. So these much addresses you have when you are using 32-bit bus. Now you can imagine if you are using 2 raised to the power means 64-bit bus. Okay, so how much addresses you can have? For an example, it is nothing but, okay, if you are using 2 raised to the power 64 means 64-bit bus means it is nothing but 1844674409370955200. Even though I can't say how much big it is. So this much location you have when you are using 64-bit bus. Okay, now I was talking about in starting of the video that expandable memory. Okay, let's take an example. You have Apple Mini 12. Okay, so he is using 64-bit bus. Apple Mini 12. Okay, so but this is not enough. 64-bit bus, he is giving 64 GB. Suppose there are variants in that mobile. 64 GB, again 128 GB, again 256 GB. Okay, so these 3 variants is covered. According to that, price also changes. So if you are using 64 GB, so my question is that how many locations are there in 64 GB? That is, now what is 64 GB? 64 GB is nothing but 2 raised to the power 6 into 2 raised to the power 32. Okay, so means 2 raised to the power 36. So what is 2 raised to the power 36? Let us see. Okay, 2 raised to the power 36 is nothing but 6871 9476 736. So this much locations that 64 GB of Apple 12 mini have. Okay, so what is this? Near about that 1000, 100,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. 68 crore location in that. Okay, but so 32-bit is good for 32-bit wires can identify this much location. It has where it is 32. So it is 100,000 lakhs crores means he is not possible to identify because this number is big than this. Okay, so 32-bit bus is not capable of identifying this much location. He don't have capacity up to that. So for that purpose, what they made, Apple is making 64-bit bus. Okay, with the help of that 64-bit bus means if you are using 256 GB version also. So okay, let us see what is 256 GB. 256 GB means how many locations? Okay, 2 raised to the power 8 is 256 into 2 raised to the power 30 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 38. So how many locations it will become? Okay, let us write 27487790694. Okay. So if you go for this number, so it is smaller than this. Means although you have lot of capacity if you are using the 64 GB variant, 64 bit address bus. So this is very small in compared to him. So there are lot of possibility. Means that's why Apple is making directly 64 bit. In future, if you want to increase or making one architecture and useful for all the storage devices. So storage types means if you are, suppose Apple making is 32 bit, then there is not possibility to use much storage. So Apple is making 164 bit, and you can use 64 bit also. Sorry, 60. What is that? That 64 GB version also, and whatever the storage he provide, that much you can provide, that much you can use. So that is it. Means why, which means address bus decide our storage, how much storage we can have in our phones or anywhere in computer also. This formula is applied. Okay.